You know the rules. Now it's time to memorize those facts. You know the drill. Now it's time, 'cause practice is where it's at. Say them loud, say them soft. Repeat them without delay. Come on, come on. Sing along and clap your hands, and you'll learn the facts today. We'll start with 1 and move on up. Just follow as I lead. Up through 12, we'll learn our facts. And now say them along with me. Come on.
Multiplication facts. Multiplication facts.
We'll learn them all and have a ball in this multiplication rap. 1 times 1 is 1 times 2 is 1 times 3 is 1 times 4 is 1 times 5 is 1 times 6 is 1 times 7 is 1 times 8 is 1 times 9 is 1 times 10 is 1 times 11 is 1 times 12 is
multiplication facts. Multiplication facts.
Now let's review and do our twos in this multiplication rap. 2 times 1 is 2 times 2 is 2 times 3 is 2 times 4 is 2 times 5 is 2 times 6 is 2 times 7 is 2 times 8 is 2 times 9 is 2 times 10 is 2 times 11 is 2 times 12 is
multiplication facts. Multiplication facts.
I guarantee you'll learn the threes in this multiplication rap. 3 times 1 is 3 times 2 is 3 times 3 is 3 times 4 is 3 times 5 is 3 times 6 is 3 times 7 is 3 times 8 is 3 times 9 is 3 times 10 is 3 times 11 is 3 times 12 is
multiplication facts. Multiplication facts.
It's time for more. Let's do the 4s in this multiplication rap. 4 times 1 is 4 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 4 times 4 is 4 times 5 is 4 times 6 is 4 times 7 is 4 times 8 is 4 times 9 is 4 times 10 is 4 times 11 is 4 times 12 is
multiplication facts. Multiplication facts.
Count by 5s and look alive in this multiplication rap. 5 times 1 is 5 times 2 is 5 times 3 is 5 times 4 is 5 times 5 is 5 times 6 is 5 times 7 is 5 times 8 is 5 times 9 is 5 times 10 is 5 times 11 is 5 times 12 is. Say them loud, say them soft. Repeat them without delay. Come on, sing along and clap your hands, and you'll learn the facts today. 6 times 1 is 6 times 2 is 6 times 3 is 6 times 4 is 6 times 5 is 6 times 6 is 6 times 7 is 6 times 8 is 6 times 9 is 6 times 10 is 6 times 11 is 6 times 12 is.
Multiplication facts. Multiplication facts.
Sevens are sweet. Just feel the beat in this multiplication rap. 7 times 1 is 7 times 2 is 7 times 3 is 7 times 4 is 7 times 5 is 7 times 6 is 7 times 7 is 7 times 8 is 7 times 9 is 7 times 10 is 7 times 11 is 7 times 12 is.
Multiplication facts. Multiplication facts.
Concentrate and do the 8s in this multiplication rap. 8 times 1 is 8 times 2 is 8 times 3 is 8 times 4 is 8 times 5 is 8 times 6 is 8 times 7 is 8 times 8 is 8 times 9 is 8 times 10 is 8 times 11 is 8 times 12 is.
Multiplication facts. Multiplication facts.
Say the 9s, they're quite divine in this multiplication rap. 9 times 1 is 9 times 2 is 9 times 3 is 9 times 4 is 9 times 5 is 9 times 6 is 9 times 7 is 9 times 8 is 9 times 9 is 9 times 10 is 9 times 11 is 9 times 12 is.
Multiplication facts. Multiplication facts.
I'll sing it again. We're on the 10s in this multiplication rap. 10 times 1 is 10 times 2 is 10 times 3 is 10 times 4 is 10 times 5 is 10 times 6 is 10 times 7 is 10 times 8 is 10 times 9 is 10 times 10 is 10 times 11 is 10 times 12 is. Yeah! Yeah, say them loud, say them soft, repeat them without delay. Come on, everybody sing along and clap your hands, and you'll learn the facts today. 11 times 1 is 11 times 2 is 11 times 3 is 11 times 4 is 11 times 5 is 11 times 6 is 11 times 7 is 11 times 8 is 11 times 9 is 11 times 10 is 11 times 11 is 11 times 12 is
multiplication facts. Multiplication facts.
The 12s are last. We had a blast in this
Multiplication rap.
12 times 1 is 12 times 2 is 12 times 3 is 12 times 4 is 12 times 5 is 12 times 6 is 12 times 7 is 12 times 8 is 12 times 9 is 12 times 10 is 12 times 11 is 12 times 12 is
Multiplication facts. Multiplication facts.
We learned them all and had a ball with this multiplication rap. Yeah, this multiplication rap. Multiplication rap.